Health Break, brought to you by UP Health System.
COPD stands for Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disorder and is a very common disease in the U.S. Dr. Lynn Hartman at UP Health System Doctors Park explains.
It's a progressive lung condition that gives you shortness of breath. People feel tired all the time. They're coughing all the time, and it's almost always caused by smoking.
COPD cannot be cured, but it can be managed, and the sooner you seek treatment, the better.
The first treatment, the most important treatment, is quitting smoking. We have lots of medications that are available to help people if they want to quit smoking. Beyond that, we have different stages of treatment. One of the more important things is to get properly diagnosed. You don't want people on too many medicines, but you don't want them on too few medicines either. The first medicine is a short-term inhaler. You use it and it works for about 4 to 6 hours. As the disease progresses, you go to a more longer-term medication that you usually take once or twice a day. And then as you progress, you start getting more and more inhalers. Sometimes we have to give a nebulizer when people get significantly short of breath. It's never too late to quit smoking. The benefit is almost instantaneous, even if they've been smoking for a long time.
For more information, visit uphealthsystem.com. I'm Kristen Presall.
UP Health Break, brought to you by UP Health System.